everyone. Liv, do you want to say something?
Hiya!
So, it's a lovely day today, as you can see. It's a bit of a different video that I'm doing. Don't shoot me in the comments, you know. But we're going to the park. We're going to go on a little nature walk, aren't we?
I'm going to get ice cream.
And my fingers covering that too, so yeah. It's all right. I got it. So yeah, we're gonna go to the park on a nature walk, but we've got to go to the shop first because it's that hot. We need a drink, and then we're gonna go on a nature walk. We'll look at the animals. Last time we went, we found 2 ducks in the, what was it, like the forest?
Yeah.
And my daughter called them cheese and crackers.
Quackers.
Quackers. But yeah, so that's today's video, so I'll see you when we're there. Alright. We're in the park now. Let me flip the camera, show you. So yeah, it's a big park as well, you know. I mean, that's the dog area. There's 2 parks, well, and then there's like a forest, isn't there? And then we've got the dogs there, which I'm not going to film the dogs, say. And then if we walk here, shall we walk on the grass?
Yeah.
And then we'll go over the little pond. Is it the pond, is it? Over here. So yeah, let's see if we can spot any magpies.
Magpies?
It's an inside joke.
The squash is mushy.
Eh?
Squash is a little bit squashy.
So yeah, this is the pond. Well, there's a duck, aye. Well, I think that's magpies dirty in bathwater, that.
People don't take care of this.
And there's Thomas.
Hi.
So yeah, we'll walk around there.
Some pigeons there.
Some pigeons.
No, there's pigeons.
Those are pigeons.
Oh, there's Chantal.
Oh, is that white one?
It's called the Chantal.
Oh. Oh, that's a baby duck.
Tree that the other duck broke its neck on.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sad, isn't it? We just put the camera on, we don't want to film any children.
I said something.
So yeah. Oh wait, I've seen one of Magpie supporters on the ground there, the toon top.
There's a big area where the dogs can run around.
Looks like a bloody barcode. I know, all them.
Look, there's a duck following us.
Oh, and then.
Oh, there's quackers.
Are you sure that one's him?
Yeah.
Oh,
Quackers.
is that?
Oh, look, Dad.
What? What am I looking at? Oh. And then where are we going? Are we going down that way?
And then we'll go to the ice cream.
And we'll go to the ice cream fan, get you a nice cold ice cream.
Oh, I'll see what I want there.
Aye, there's lots to choose from anyway, isn't there?
Oh, Dad is eating stuff.
Oh look, there's another duck there, Liv.
Oh, there's big duck.
Oh. But yeah, it's a nice day today, isn't it?
Yeah, except for the pond.
Aye, the pond's a bit dirty, but that's...
Because people don't look after
And then there's like a bowling green over there.
But we look after it. We don't ever find
No, we don't throw rubbish in there, do we?
No, we give it bread.
We'll give them bread, don't we, when we... We forgot the bread today though, because we were in a rush, weren't we?
Yeah, because we wanted to see the Thomas the train. That's what I
Aye,
wanted.
Thomas is over there where the bouncy castles are.
There.
On the far end.
Oh, and seagulls there.
Oh, here comes the seagulls.
There's a dog in there.
Oh, look, that little dog.
You
You what? It's got a button nose. Who the dog?
We
Right.
don't ever bring our dogs there because
So what did you get from the ice cream?
I had a block of glory biscuit.
Oh, Biscoff. Is it nice? Do a taste test. Spot on. How are you then? Oh, you want me to taste? Oh, that's lovely, that.
I wish Mum got you this.
I'm all right, me darling. I've got me nice kind of monster. So now we're gonna go see the animals, see if the parrots are open and stuff like that, and then we'll go on that nature walk and see if we can find any squirrels again.
You got them.
Have I got some on my beard?
Oh, that man's not there who sings.
Oh, we always give him money as well, don't we? Alright, it's lovely, isn't it? What?
I think can we go to that park?
Yeah, of course we can. So let's go see these animals there.
And then we'll look at the pond up here.
The pond, the pond with the rocks. Oh, we can do, can't we? So hope everyone's doing well in YouTube land. What's in this one? The peacocks and that. Oh, there look. Look at that.
That must be a boy.
I'm not sure. There's a little house up there for him. So we'll go up there. See the other ones as well.
Can I see the rabbit?
Huh?
Rabbit.
Oh, the white rabbit.
Is it there?
We'll have a look. And we'll see.
No rabbit today.
No, rabbit is probably hiding.
That's big.
Aye.
Let's go see the parrot.
Why do you want to go see the parrots then? Oh, wait then.
And then we'll go back down.
Uh-huh.
And then we'll go on an adventure.
Sounds like a plan, doesn't it? So which ones are these? Oh, look there. Were you? Oh. What's that one called? Tino or Feathers?
Tino.
I think Tino, alright.
Hi, Tino.
Yeah. Oh, there's a guinea pig down there.
Two.
There's two. Is it? Oh, there is, aye. Shall we go? Shall we go? Up somewhere? Where we going?
Down here.
Oh, we're going back down here, are we? You took the biscuit off already. Let's have a look.
No.
Is it nice, is it? What are we doing going through this bit? Yeah?
Yeah.
What, through here?
Look, give me an orange flavor.
That's okay.
Orange flavor.
That's okay. It's nice, isn't it? Ah, all these rocks. There's nothing really in this, so is there?
Guys, can I tell you something? I actually went in that pond.
You did because you're silly. Are we going this way? We'll go over this little thing here. And we're going down there, aren't we?
No, this one?
We've got to walk around, I think, like we did last time. I think.
When we jumped in that big.
When I jumped in the bush.
We all did it.
We did, didn't we? I think we went the wrong way.
We all never. It's taking us around.
That's alright, I'll cut there and then.
The cafe shut.
Oh, is the cafe shut? Oh well,
Because it's a weekend, they're normally shut.
You'd think they'd be open on a nice day like this. You reckon? But everyone's entitled to a few days off work, aren't they? So they can spend time with their families. Right, which way do we go now?
Down here.
Where?
Down this way.
Down this way?
There's lions.
Oh no, I'll be sure now.
I got chocolate in this.
I think that's Magpie's house there.
Magpies.
It's an inside joke. You're too young to understand. Yeah. That's lovely, that, isn't it?
Look there. There's
Oh.
a fountain, a fake fountain.
I think it's real.
No, it was a fake one, like it's made out of stone.
Oh, okay. If you say so.
I don't want this here because
Just keep hold of it from now, my sweetheart. And we're going this way, like to the right.
Yeah.
This path here, innit?
Wait, are we going here?
Oh, do you want to go up there? I'll come with you.
How high it is?
Let's see.
Careful, there's stuff in there.
Oh, it's not that high for me.
Then I can put that there.
Alright. Right, we're going to cut there for now and then. Once we're in the, like, the main bit. It's nice down there, to be fair though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. We need to try find.
We need to find the squirrels because every time we come down, the squirrels always come to us, don't they?
But there was trees in there, remember?
Oh yeah, yeah. In that dirty water.
We need to find trees and crackers now.
Do we? Something different for YouTube, eh? Eh? All them.
Now we need to go across that bridge.
We've got to cross another bridge. Hey, hey. Oh, I can hear the duck. Can you hear it?
Quackers!
Come on then.
Quack if you know me!
I'll hear you. Come on.
Quackers!
She's off. He's just quacked back. He's down there.
Where?
Down this way.
There.
I think so. You heard him. He's down there. Can you hear him? He's in that little thing. Can you hear him?
There's a different duck.
There, he's over there.
We go this way.
So we've got to go back up. I'm not built for walking. She's found another duck. Oh, it's the same duck that she named Quackers. It's a bit of a different video today, a bit more of a positive video. You know, just a little day out with the little one. So I hope you guys enjoy. It won't be a regular thing, but oh what? Hold on, I'm coming. There's how many? There's 3. So you called the new one onion, so Quackers, cheese and onion. Is he following? Oh, because he did last time, didn't they? Where? He's running away from you. He's gone up there, watch it. Oh, they're flying away.
There's a bee.
Mate, stop. What? There's a bee? Right, I'm going to end the video here. Just thought it'd be a different video. I've got sun cream on us. Just something more positive. What? She's found the ducks again. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I mean, there's no Blu-rays in this wild wilderness anyway. But thanks for watching.